Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and I wanted to make a short video to introduce you to observation and participation. This is our Canvas website, and this is where you'll begin. So I want to take you through a few things. First off, this is the home screen. This is a picture of me. If you need to get in touch with me, here is my email address, and here's my phone number. The next place I want to take you to is the announcements. I use a lot of announcements in this course. You will see the announcements here, so please make sure that your notifications are turned on in Canvas, so that way you'll get all of these announcements. I usually do 1 or 2 every week, for the most part. And the announcement will also appear on the home page, right here. The next thing I want you to know about is the syllabus. This is our syllabus for this course. You should print this off and read it, so you know what's going on. The next place is our modules. This is where your assignments are, or some information about the course and what you're going to do. You should start here and read through all this stuff. And then once you get this first initial module done, then right here is your work. Now the big thing about this class is your observation hours. I believe you'll do about 36 of them. And the first one is to start talking about your observation and getting your settings set up. So that's the first thing you need to do. And notice how that is due January 24th. So make sure you start on this module right away. Here's your next module. And then you'll see for this course, I believe we end up having about 8 or so modules. But go through and look at the due dates. It really helps. You can see your grades here. We might do some discussion boards. But again, that's our course. That's how it navigates. I didn't tell you much about myself. Again, I'm Ryan Cardula, and I live in Emporia, and I work for Emporia Public Schools. I was a math teacher for many years. I've been working with educational courses for several years as well. I'm really excited to get to know you all. So, thanks a lot. If you need some help, let me know.